Float Sessions, Volume 2.
I'm a little drunk right now. But yo, my name is Nasty, and yes, I love to kick it. And I mean, when I spit, y'all need to listen because the words that I drop are straight gems. While I'm getting these ends, y'all need to fall back. And yes, the fall's back because we in the winter. I'm psyched. I mean, I'm a little ahead of myself, but I'm ahead of the wealth. Like I'm getting rich, Benjamin Button style myself. But y'all need to check the shirt. It says through these Jeff Adders. We both work and we put in work till these bitches pussies hurt. And yes, I'm a bit of a jerk, but that's okay because my words spray just like an AK. I do this all day and I do this all night. It's Friday, right? And I'm ahead of y'all sight. I mean, y'all can't see me. I'm on TV, but y'all don't get the channels. I'm not HBO, but y'all dudes know that my soul flow is too crazy for y'all to even go to my arena. And yes, because y'all know I seen her and she knows just what the dude looks like. And I had to transform her to a dyke because after me she can't take no more pipe. She has to switch up her style, get a chick, alright? And y'all dudes need to get the chicken shit right because y'all are chicken shit. This shit is light. I freestyle every day like a menace. Y'all motherfuckers look like Dennis, little white boys with freckles on your cheeks. But me, I just spitting hot lines on the beat. And while he beat boxes, me, I beats boxes. And I mean, I knock bitches off socks. I mean, I knock their socks off. And I'm about to pop off. Billionaires Boys Club, call me mad off. I kinda stole that line from my boy Cardi. But you know when I get on it, I'm retarded. My flow's kinda sickening, but that's okay cause I strike like lightning. And y'all can hit them with the 1-2, but you don't know my name is Deuce. And some niggas call me nasty. I call myself the best. Y'all niggas trying to step to me, but y'all are just the rest. Y'all in a different category. I mean, all the shit is super boring because when I step to mics, it's a given that I'm about to win and I'm robbing like Givens. They didn't understand that line though. Why are you talking to me, nigga? I'm an asshole. So I can fart in your face and then when I spray, I take over the place because all you do is smell me and I'm nasty. My smell's disgusting, but y'all niggas keep trying to talk to this while I take all my piss all over your face, bitch. Ha! Watch the beat drop, I kick it. Like a soccer player, are you with this? I mean, no, you can never be next to me. My name is Nasty, the D-U-E-C-E. So when you step to my flow, niggas already know that when I move, yes I go to another plateau. Y'all are falling off the cliff. I'm spitting straight piff. All I do is hit and y'all niggas miss all the time. When I hit y'all, yes, I'm spitting rhymes and these niggas, they line and they line. But me, all I do is throw up and re-up because I'm a drunk. I don't really give a fuck. I'm a drug addict too. Yes, motherfuckers, I'm not you because I can still go to class and academically whoop that ass. But niggas never know how my flow can keep on point. Yes, I never ever short and yes, I kind of switched up my accent. But that's okay because y'all niggas losing and I'm always winning like a pussy. Y'all niggas should try to push me because I never fall back. You should fall down. I'm on top, y'all are underground. Call me the 2 train cause I'm on city. Running all this motherfucker like Diddy. 26 miles, no, I go for 400 bars. What the fuck are y'all doing? I'm on Mars. Chilling with some other MCs that are trying to get as high as me. And yes, I'm stuttering, but that doesn't matter. Right now, we about to go party in Mathers, or maybe the Fox, because I stay on top and I get bitches on their knees, sucking my cock. And yes, I'm sort of a beast on this microphone. What are you doing trying to freestyle with me? Leave that mic at home. You can't step to this. Nasty is the best you'll ever get. So when you step to my cipher, just remember that I've been robbing this shit like a lifer. Multiple murders on the microphone. Once again, just leave your mics at home, because I'm the nastiest you ever seen on the mic. I'm on riding like a bike. Yes, what am I riding the beat? Yes, and I'm kicking it like I'm stomping on the street. Yes, and y'all niggas ain't never stepping to me. Why? Because I'm just the B-E-S-T to ever kick a flow. So chill out, just watch me kick it, yo. Bitches, they got a push button face. I poke it in the mouth. Yes, there's never any waste, because she swallows it all. Yes, I mean the shit that comes out of my balls. And yes, I'm on top of y'all, no homo. But I'll hit you with the promo. Nasty is the nastiest. Yes, I'm a no-mo. All my rhymes every single time I spit them. Y'all niggas little. I need to give this nigga my camera. But watch as I blam you with the 1-2 hook uppercut. Ryu style, y'all don't give a fuck. I'm Doll Scene with the street fighting, and y'all motherfuckers got teeth. Stop biting. I'm not the shark man, but when I rock the shit, I'll take it to Japan, because Watashi wa Ichiban, motherfuckers. You don't know what that means, so keep driving like truckers while I pass by you. I'm not Ryu, nor Ken. I'm a Kumo with these ends. What that means you gotta unlock me, and when I do, I stomp on niggas. Don't get cocky, cause if you do, then I'll stub you like a brick wall. I'm way fucking ahead of y'all. I put the emphasis behind the fucking, because doing this is fucking nothing. So y'all need to step it up, because when I don't stop, then y'all gotta stop giving a fuck about what the fuck I'm saying. But that's okay, because the crowd is okay and everything that I'm saying. Yes, I'm lyrically spraying all these words all over you herbs. What are you saying? Not enough to step to this. Damn, I drank too much, I gotta piss. So open your mouth so I can son you, I'm your daddy. I can put you in the fucking caddy position while I chill in the backseat lamping with your grandmoms, your moms, and your sister camping. Your aunties all over me like they on their knees and something's wrong, but I gotta just get the green, so I kick them out the house. Fuck it, I go with their spouse and go hunting, but I'm the cat they mouse. So my rifle bullets hit them first, and when I spit shit, y'all in a hearse, and niggas can never step to me because I'm the best, and y'all the worst. MCs don't know what to do with me. I'm killing these dudes, kiddies, and they think they nice, but that's okay, because I know I'm the ice water of the shit, Raekwon style. Y'all niggas trying Pyrex vision, but y'all wildin' because you never had the style. And I'm killing it like I'm from Shaolin. So my old dirty bastard with the flow. Y'all niggas never ever know. I don't have to do drugs to kick it like this, but y'all motherfuckers need to stop trying to diss the man known as Menelik. Why? Because my foot can kick shit as far as y'all niggas' lips is. He didn't get this, but I'm still the nicest you have ever seen. I've said it a couple times, but I really mean it, like the Diplomat's track. Yes, I'm mad fat, and I had to skip a couple lines for the censorship, but it's okay because y'all never hear the end of it. Yes, I'm nasty, signing off rather soon. Shouts to my nigga iGoon. Yo. What's really good, man?
Shouts to the internet goon.
Shouts to the internet goon.
Flow Sessions Volume 2.